can f***ing piss off!
It's unbelievable that people treat motorcycle riders this way and somehow think it's okay.
What's f***ing wrong with you? What's f***ing wrong with you, asshole? No, it's a solid white line!
Shut up!
It's a solid white line!
This is a purpose!
It's a solid white line!
Oh, this is a purpose!
It's a solid white line!
Oh, this is a purpose!
No, there are cars in front of us. You're on camera.
Hey buddy, come on. Oh, you good, you good?
This biker got his shoelace stuck on the pegs and quickly learned the hard way why proper motorcycle shoes are a smart investment.
1, 2, 3. Thanks, bud. I'll get this out of the way. Could you take care of my front for a bit? Yeah. Thanks, bud. Yeah.
There was a time when in the UK was shortage of gas and long lines of vehicles formed as people waited to refuel. But one driver in the silver car decided to skip the queue by using the bus lane. Something this biker, who had already been waiting for a half an hour, just couldn't ignore.
What are you doing? That's good. Yeah, I want them to come here now. You jump the queue. You jump in the queue. He jumped the queue. It's a big queue here. He wants to jump.
I'm talking to the police.
Yeah, ask them to come here now.
This bloke's talking to me. He's on a motorbike. He threatened to smash my car in. Yeah, all right then. I'll call you back if I have any more trouble.
You're gonna have trouble because you have to go out. Sir, it's not fair what you're doing, you know? I'm here for about half an hour. You jump in so many cars.
Well, I didn't know, did I?
No, you knew. You jump over the bus lane. You jump over the bus lane.
Right. Don't keep on about it.
So you're waiting for those cars to come in front of you now. Better find another petrol station, sir. You're not gonna punch your tires. Out. This way. So you get out. You go out.
What are you doing?
What I'm doing? I want you to go out.
Piss off.
What?
Tell you, piss
Out. Out.
No.
Call the police.
I've already called them.
Call them now.
I said if I get any more trouble from you,
Out.
off.
You touch me, you're gonna...
Car alone, all right?
I don't wanna touch you, bro. Go out.
I can f***ing piss off!
You touch...
Right.
Out.
Fucking car alone.
Out.
No.
He jumped the queue. He comes so many cars, look. He jumped in the queue.
Trying to let me tires down.
Out.
He said he smashed my
Out. No. It's not fair, bro. I've been here half an hour. I have to go work. Out.
3 years of age, I don't need this
Out.
car.
Out.
No, don't do that.
I di-
Told you. Keep away from my
This
car.
is what I want you to touch me, bro.
Just keep away
Out.
from my car. And leave my car alone.
He's jumping queue, bro.
Let him go, man. Let him go, man.
Out. You f***ing bro.
Mate, he's 3 years of age, I don't need this.
Oh, man. Like you're older than me. Like you. Like you older than me. Like you. Or they are f***ing your face, man.
Was this a pure skill, sheer luck, or a bit of both? What do you think, guys? Let us know in the comments. Excessive wind caused this biker's front wheel to lose traction, resulting in a low side crash. Fortunately, the rider walked away without injuries. This biker came across another rider who had just gone down, low-siding his motorcycle at 75 miles per hour.
You okay though?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Let's get your bike up, see if it can be ridden. Did you just go like right into the grass?
Yeah, I hit the rocks and I was like, oh man. Dang it, dude.
Yeah, this sucks. It'll be alright, it went through mostly grass. There you go. Looks like your bars made it, so you'll be able to ride as long as you got a shifter.
Those rocks.
Yeah, someone must have come in here with a truck or something and spit them all out. Did you hit your head or anything, the helmet?
Yeah, she did.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, olha aqui, ó. Vai. Tem óleo, vai pra lá. Olha o óleo aí, mano. Machucou aí, chefe? Pode ter trincado o osso. Você não quer que chame mesmo, não? Quer que chame alguém, família, ou tá tranquilo? Tá de boa? Vamos ter que dar um jeito de sinalizar isso aqui, cara. Mano, toma cuidado, isso aqui tá escorregando igual quiabo, ó.
This biker mentioned that he placed several tree branches on the road as a warning for other riders. However, he said they simply ignored it and kept riding as if nothing was there.
Door's open! Your door! It's open!
It's a one-way street! One-way street! It's a one-way street. You're going the wrong way. It's dangerous for bikers. Back up. Go back up there. What, really? Got a f***ing marker. Oh, you f***er. Yeah, sorry, yeah. Come on, really? That big come on, break.
After noticing the driver ahead was acting strangely, this biker kept a safe distance. He suspected the driver might be drunk.